Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by mapping constraints and opportunity. Measure and mark walls, windows, doors, and utilities so you avoid surprises. Once done, decide core functions, where people move, where light should fall, and where storage lives, to drive layout decisions. Make sure to flag load-bearing walls early. That determines what you can shift without costly structure work. Use rough zoning sketches to test options quickly, because early decisions shape every later choice and prevent wasted effort. You now convert zones into concrete arrangements. Draft scaled plans and check circulation with 60 to 90 centimeter clearances where people walk. Once you place anchors, kitchen, bedroom, bath, adjust surrounding spaces to support them. This keeps systems compact and efficient. Make sure to overlay furniture footprints, sight lines, and daylight so each choice works in real use. Use variations to compare trade-offs and keep one pragmatic option plus one bold option. That keeps flexibility while moving toward execution. You finish by producing a detailed plan with precise dimensions, materials, and layered lighting so contractors know exactly what to build. Once done, prepare a phased checklist and include a 10 to 15% budget buffer for unknowns. Make sure to walk the plan in person or with VR to confirm door swings and furniture fits. If something fails on-site, prioritize reversing to the last verified condition and reevaluate the affected systems, structure, services, or circulation before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.